how to unmute the stories on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy. Below, you can see here the audience and visibility section. Here, you can see the stories. Okay, you can tap this. In stories, below, you can see the story you mute. So, okay, to view this, you'll have to do is tap the view button on the right side of this story you mute. And now, you can see the story you mute here. So, Richard Cabile. So, okay. So, I have one. And to unmute this story, this Richard Cabile, okay, you'll have to do is tap the unmute button on the right side of this. And that's it. Okay, your settings have been updated. And okay guys, we have successfully unmute the stories on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.